Dear students, so in today's class we are discussing the very important naming reaction from amine topic, that is the Hofmann-Bromamide degradation reaction. Okay students, so in this Hofmann-Bromamide degradation we have to prepare the amine by using the amide. Okay, so here we are taken the amide, and by using that amide we have to prepare the primary amine. Let you see the example of amide. So do you know the functional group of amide? So I will write here, I will write the direct example. So amide, I will take CH3, C double bond O, CH3, C double bond O, NH2. Okay, so you know carbonyl group and amine group is attached, we can see is amide. And what is the name of amide? This is a acetamide. So this is what? Acetamide. Now student, so this acetamide we can react with bromine and NaOH. We can use here Br2. Okay, Br2 plus we are using here 4NaOH. Okay, sodium hydroxide as a base we are using here. So this acetamide we can treat it with bromine and 4NaOH. So mostly we'll get amine. So simple reaction is there. So see how this reaction will proceed. Okay students, so Hofmann is the name of the scientist. Okay, and degradation means there is a decreasing the length of carbon. So in the reactant, so there is a how many carbons are there? 2 carbons. So whatever product will get, that having the only 1 carbon. So degradation is nothing but there is a decreasing the length of carbon. Okay, so very simple reaction when we can treated acetamide with the bromine as well as NaOH. How the reaction will proceed? Okay, so simple students, so the bond is breaking 2 times. So the bond is breaking here, okay, and here. Okay, so this carbonyl group is removed. Okay, very simple. So first step, carbonyl group is removed, and this CH3. Okay, and this NH2. So simply we'll get here primary amine CH3 NH2. So what is the name? So this is what? Methyl amine. So this is a methyl amine. Methyl amine. Okay, so what is the byproduct now? Check it. So now carbonyl group is removed. So Na how many times? So sodium 2 times. So this Na2 and 1 oxygen from this NaOH and this carbonyl group. So we can take the 2 oxygen. So simply first we will remove the Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate will remove. How sodium carbonate is removing? See, from this 4NaOH we are taken the 2 sodium means Na2. Okay. Now this carbon and oxygen means bond is breaking from here. So this carbon and oxygen is removed. So that carbon oxygen and 2 oxygen from this NaOH we can take an Na2CO3. So what remain? Again 2 sodium and this 2 bromine means plus. Again what remains students? 2 NaBr, sodium bromide. Get it? So this 2 sodiums and these 2 bromines mean 2 NaBr is removed. And what again removed? What left? So oxygen is 1, how many oxygen now? 2 oxygen. Okay, because we are taken 2 oxygen from here, again 2 oxygen, and how many hydrogens are here? 4 hydrogens. So that hydrogen we are not using now. Okay, so means, so here 2 NaBr plus, we can remove the 2H2. 2H2 means 2 water molecule will remove. Simply, get the students, 2 NaBr plus 2H2. So simply what we will get? So we get a methylamine, and sodium carbonate is removed. Then sodium bromide means NaBr plus water molecule will remove. Okay, so this is the Hofmann bromide degradation. So see, once again I repeat. So here I have taken the acetamide, CH3 C double bond O NH2. This is acetamide, means it is a amide. Edit, this is which functional group? Amide. Okay, amide 1. And then this amide we can treat it with bromine. That's why I can say the bromamide. And degradation means there is a decreasing the carbon length. See the product, CH3NH2. Only 1 carbon is there. CH3 means only 1 carbon, but in the reactant how many carbons? 2 carbon. Okay, so this carbon, 1 carbon should be removed from that. Okay, so that is a degradation. Now clear students? So the bond is breaking here. So we'll take on the acetamide. Bond is breaking 2 times, and it simply what we'll get? So this NH2 will join to this CH3. We'll get a methylamine, and what is remain? So now 2 Na2CO3. This Na2 and this carbon oxygen and 2 oxygen from here, Na2CO3 sodium carbonate is removed, and 2 NaBr. So this 2 sodium and 2 this Br, 2 NaBr is removed, and already 4 hydrogen as it is here, 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen means 2H2. Now clear students? So this is what Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. All of you clear? So in exam they are asking these questions, explain the Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. Okay, so instead of this acetamide, if you take the another example, here I am taken the benzamide. Okay, so this is benzene ring. Now clear students? Then C double bond O. Now this is a NH2. So this is your benzamide. Now tell me what product we will get when we can take the benzamide. And now this benzamide we can react with this Br2, same reaction, plus 4 NaOH. So this is the same reaction. Tell me the product. Okay, so here also same thing will happen. Okay, when this benzamide reacts with bromine as well as NaOH, we can take on the 4 NaOH plus Br2. Okay, so simply the bond is breaking here and here, 2-time bond is break. Okay students, so again same, Na2CO3 will remove carbonyl group, this NH2 will join here, and simply what will get here? Yes, so here simply will get the aniline. Yes, because now this carbonyl group is removed, this NH2 will join to what? This benzene ring. So this is your product. So this is the aniline, or we can see the benzyl amines. Okay, we'll get what? Aniline plus what is the byproduct? Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 plus again so 4 Na means already we are using the 2 sodiums, 2 sodium is left, reacts with bromine, will get it from the 2 NaBr, 2 sodium bromide plus water molecules, already 4 hydrogens are here and 2 oxygen is left, so 2 H2O. So in this way we will get here aniline. Here also just check it, in a reactant carbon's length, one carbon is decreasing, we will simply get what? Aniline. So this is a Hofmann bromide degradation, and this is very important naming reaction for NEET, CET as well as JEE. Okay, so many time in JEE exam they are asking the questions on the basis of this reaction. Okay students, so in next class we are discussing the another important naming reaction. Okay, so take a screenshot and note down the notes. Okay, take a screenshot.